Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve experiencing a bunch of blank desktop shortcuts that appear white or are missing or glitching up for some reason. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the start menu, type in %, app data %. Best match should come back with a file folder that says exactly what I just typed in here. Go ahead and open that up. Select your username up here at the top and then double click on app data. You want to locate a local folder. If you don't see it, go select the view tab and then check mark hidden items. And then you'll have to go click this little refresh button or tap the F5 key on your keyboard or for it to then appear. And you might not need to do it for this, but for further steps you probably want to just take care of that right now. And anyway, you're going to go ahead and double click on the local folder here. And now you want to go select the icon cache down here. Go ahead and right click on that and select delete. Now if you close out of here, and you open up Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. And you go down either under Apps, or you might have to go down underneath Windows Processes here. And locate Windows Explorer. You want to go ahead and right-click on it and select Restart. Give it a moment here. And then once it restarts, hopefully your icon should appear as normal. And that should hopefully have been able to resolve the problem here. Don't be concerned if CPU appears to spike a little bit. You can see it's coming down pretty quick. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.